Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. As you know, my previous class was depend on divisibility rules by 2, 3 and 4. Now today let us we discuss about other divisibility rules. Your first rule is divisibility by 5. The meaning is in which condition any number is divisible by 5. The rule is a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. The meaning is if unit digit of any number is 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. Now let us we discuss about some examples. Your first example is 2925 divisible 5. As you are looking in this number, unit digit is 5. Therefore 2925 is divisible by 5. Okay. In next example is 31560 divisible 5. As you are looking in 31560, unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Therefore 31560 will be divisible by 5. The meaning is if unit digit of any number is 5 or 0, then that number will be divisible by 5. Your next divisibility rule is divisibility by 6. As you know very well which number is divisible by 2 and which number is divisible by 3. Your rule is if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. The meaning is suppose you have any one number and you want to check the given number is divisible by 6 or not. So what you will do? The given number we will check by 2 and 3. How? Look here. Your question is 3210 divisible by 6? As you know very well, in this number unit digit is 0. In this number unit digit is 0. Therefore 3210 will be divisible by 2. Okay. In 3210 unit digit is 0. Therefore 3210 will be divisible by 2. Okay. Now look here. Again this number we will check divisible by 3 or not. What is the rule of divisibility by 3? Now look here. The given number is 3210. What you will do? Sum of all digits of the given number. After adding all these digits you will get 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. You will get 6. The meaning is 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. The meaning is 3210 is divisible by 2 and 3. As you are looking, 3210 is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore 3210 will be divisible by 6. Okay. Your next rule is divisibility by 8. The rule is a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. The meaning is if last 3 digit of any number is divisible by 8, therefore the given number will be divisible by 8. Now let us discuss about some example. You have one question: is 1728 divisible by 8? Is 1728 divisible by 8? As you are looking in 1728, last 3 digit is 728. Last 3 digit is 728. Now this number is divisible by 8. How? Look here. Again in this number 728 divided by 8. 8 9 is 72. Remainder is 0. We can note down next number 8. 8 1 is 8. Remainder is 0. Therefore 1728 will be divisible by 8. Okay. Therefore 1728 will be divisible by 8. This is rule for divisibility by 8. Okay. Again, now let us discuss about divisibility by 9. As you know very well, what is the divisibility by 3? So divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 3 both are same rule. How? Look here. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Look here. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Suppose you have one number 1404 and you want to check this number is divisible by 9 or not. So what you will do? We will add sum of the digits. We will add sum of the digits of a number. As you are looking 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4, you will get 9. Obviously 9 is divisible by 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore 1404 will be divisible by 9. Okay. Your next rule is divisibility by 10. The meaning is in which condition any number is divisible by 10. How? Look here. The rule is if a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Okay. The meaning is if unit digit of any number is 0, therefore the given number will be divisibility by 10. How? Look here. I want to give one example for you. Suppose you have one number 3210. Is 3210 divisible 10? The meaning is 3210 will be divisible by 10 or not. How? Look here. As you are looking in 3210, unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0. Therefore 3210 will be divisible by 10. Okay. So my dear students, all these are divisibility rules by 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. I think it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.